Well, as you can see, Julie and I were cleaning up a picnic table. That was the picnic table we brought to the property. That was one of the first things we brought to the property. And we're thinking we might be able to put that on our porch and make a nice table out of it. So I think that's what we're gonna do. I got some black walnut on the mill. I'm gonna mill up some of this black walnut. We'll see if we can get a nice tabletop and nice benches out of about 2-inch thick black walnut. I think that would look pretty good. So check out this rough log I got on here. I think the rougher the log, the better it looks. But this is the log we're going to mill up. I'm not sure if I'll use this log or not, but it has to be milled, and it's sitting on the mill, so we might as well chop it up. Hopefully we'll get a nice chunk of wood out of that thing. All right, let's get cutting. Well, we didn't have enough wood in that log to do the picnic table, but we got some really nice logs out of it, or some nice boards out of it. These are 1.5 inches. I wanted 2 inch. At 1.5 inches, I was only able to get 4 good boards out of there. But I mean, they're good. They're beautiful boards. Look at the grain in these. These are some scrap pieces down here. We can use them for projects. But that's the piece that we needed. And we only got 4, and it's not quite wide enough for the top. So we got to cut more boards. And I'd like to have them 2 inches thick. So I got some bigger logs up here. These are actually, was brought to me. A gentleman wanted a few pieces of wood out of these logs. And he brought me them 2 big black walnut logs. So I'm going to try to get my table out of it and get him some wood. I don't like cutting for other people, but I needed the black walnut, so we went ahead and worked out a deal on those 2 logs. So we're going to go ahead and put that log on there. I'm going to go stack this up. I'm going to stack all this up and get it where I need it, and then we're going to start on that other log. Okay, I have 3 of these planks, and I'm going to be using these 3 planks for the top on that table. Got some water here. That's basically what our table's going to look like once it's cleaned up. That looks good. That's going to make a beautiful table. And what we're going to do is put this wood on the top of that old picnic table we were cleaning up earlier this year. I think this is really going to be a nice tabletop. Okay, I just hosed it off with the water hose just to see what that grain's going to look like. And I think this would make a beautiful tabletop. I don't think we'll have any issues using this wood. It's about 2 inches thick, maybe just over 2 inches thick. I think it's beautiful. All right, that was a pretty rough day yesterday. Yeah, we got 3 logs cut yesterday. I'm going to show you what we got. The big black walnut, beautiful wood. Very heavy though. I didn't realize how heavy these guys are. We got them here in the garage. We got them sitting right here. And they're stacked there. We're going to have to do something with them. We can't have them out in the middle. But right now, that was as close as I could get them in the garage. And then we haven't been taking it easy. We've been running a sawmill a good bit. I'm going to show you some of the other lumber we got. We're going to do a barn wood on the front of the barn dominium. We're going to do board and batten across there. And here is all of our boards. Down here, we have enough to do the whole entire front. And these are our battens. We're about 2 inches. Now, I've had them in the garage. These we cut yesterday, along with another walnut log and the big heavy walnut log. So we did 3 logs yesterday, which is actually hard work when you're by yourself. But we're going to let these dry. These have been in here for a while, about 2 weeks maybe. And we just had a fan on them. We got another one of them Harbor Freight fans. I really like that fan, so we got another one of them, and I turn it on them. And then I have the other fan up in the ceiling over there. I use that one, and we circulate a little bit of air in here and try to keep the doors open. And this stuff has lost, this has lost 1/8 of an inch on its width already, this bottom stack down here. So it is drying. I know it's going to take a while. We're going to try to get it as dry as we possibly can before we put it on. We're still waiting on the front door for the barn dominium. So whenever it get here, we'll get that framed in and we'll start putting this stuff on. Hopefully it don't go too crazy on us, but we want a little character anyhow. So I would like to tell everyone, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.